Vince!
What's happening, brother?
Oh, bro, I've got a little something for
Why
you.
are we
yeah?
in the kitchen, bro?
Look, let me tell you.
Okay.
Here in Nottingham for a special reason. Nigerian Independence Day, it's on its way. And we thought we'll pay respect to my people by cooking a national dish, jollof rice.
You mean national? That's our national dish, though. Our dish is jollof. Ghanaians, that's our jollof. We have to tell the truth,
Okay,
though.
you're giving me all this, but like, can you actually cook the thing?
I can cook, yeah.
You can cook jollof rice?
So you want to do
I'm down, man.
You want to do a battle?
He's giving me a little...
You know who this is?
Hold on a second. Chef has given me a recipe to follow, my Nigerian chef. You're bringing your mom?
Yeah, this is my mum, and she's going to do the cooking.
We're going to try. We're
All
going
right,
to cook.
let's do this. And the guys at Nottingham Forest,
They're gonna help us.
I've brought us some special guests.
You need the help. We know it.
All right, Chef Bobby, I've got your recipe locked down, man. Taiwo, Awoniyi, my Nigerian brother.
Yes, bro.
Come on, how are you, bro?
Nice.
Serge over here. Very, very good. Look,
You good?
So just come on my team. Come on and win
Yeah.
you want to say?
Because you're going to take the Nigerian side.
Of course,
Without being
man.
rude, man. Wait, Taiwo, what are your jollof cooking skills saying? Are they any good?
I'm not bad.
They're nervous.
You
They're
see this
nervous.
Nigerian confidence?
bro. No chance, man.
Mum, let's start. What do we do
Okay,
first?
first we chop some onions.
Okay. Bro, you see the technique already, bro.
Okay, Taiwo, let's go, man. This is the one, man. We're gonna cook that party jollof. I'm gonna need you first and foremost. Start with the onions, man. You're gonna do the onions. This is the test. This is the test of the chef. Come on, chef.
We have some garlic and bay leaves, and we'll have everyday seasoning
and that, yeah.
and all-purpose olive oil.
There we go. There we go.
Chef.
Mate, watch your fingers, man. I don't want Nottingham Forest coming for me.
So we put it in the
The blender.
blender.
So how often do you cook jollof, man? Is it?
Not often, but
Next question. How often do you eat jollof?
That's a good
always.
So as we say, you big fan of jollof?
Yeah, I like it. So, you know, we have different food in my country. I like to try, you know, everything in Africa because,
question. Yo, how hot do you want it, man?
Yeah, for me, I'm fine with any spice.
You like the spice,
Yeah,
but you got to be treading to the man. Do you know what I mean?
With the chef, I don't know, but for me, spicy.
What do you reckon, chef?
Whole thing. Yeah.
Whole thing.
thing, yeah.
Let's go. Whole Scotch bonnet pepper in there.
You see what I'm saying? Like, I don't even need to do much. I'm just delegating right now.
This is called obeata, and obviously Yoruba, that translates to pepper stew.
Yeah.
Stew and pepper, yeah? You know, you Yoruba man?
Yeah, of course.
I'm Yoruba man as well. Obeata, we love the obeata. But this acts as a base to many Nigerian dishes, right?
F4, egusi.
Egusi, everything.
Everything.
This is the mother sauce right here.
What heat do you want it, Mum?
Medium.
You need a strong man still. Yes, Serge.
easy.
That's nice, man. That consistency, chef?
This is perfect.
And then this one
Experience,
goes
bro.
in.
There's a lot of pain and suffering in this. You get me?
So this is our base, our obeata.
Yeah.
You
Smell that, smell that.
See, that's the foundation. Oh, God,
This is for the flavor, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. They ain't got that over there. They ain't got that over there.
Curry powder.
Oh, what's going on over there?
Yo, can we do it again?
You know what? It's cool. We got the backups.
We got my backup. I've just.
Okay.
This is a well-trained man.
I don't think so.
Never thought in a million years I'd have Taiwo Awoniyi clean up after me.
No
So,
problem.
Mum, on average, how many times do you reckon you've cooked jollof rice? And what age did you start?
I started cooking when I was 8 years. My mom taught me how to cook.
Hold on. Are you actually doing some cooking?
Yeah, but I'm just whipping it up, you know?
Come on, man.
No chance.
Oh, chef! What are you doing, chef? Bobby, man, you're on MasterChef and everything.
I think they set us up with a bad
And you
blender,
set
man.
us up with this like dodgy.
Yo, Serge,
This
what blender did you
blender's
give us?
dodge, man.
Hey, our thing's on the pot. I'm just letting everyone know our thing's on the pot. Look at her face. My mum feels sorry for you guys. There we go. Yeah, Mum, I can't lie, the smell, the aroma.
Yeah.
This is growing up, and this feel my childhood right in this pot.
How important is it for you to stay close to your heritage, especially when you're miles away from home, man? You also give back to home as well. How important is that for you as well?
Yeah, for me, that's something I cannot forget because for me, it's the legacy for me. You just need to live in an atmosphere where you keep your legacy going for people to look back and say like, wow, this guy is really doing something good for the community.
Okay. Yeah, Chef.
Chef Bobby.
How we doing?
How we doing?
How we doing over here?
Please.
It's feeling good.
We need to cover it for now, yeah?
Our obe ata has gone in now, in with some onions. Do you know what? This is a taste of Nigeria already.
Maybe with a bay leaf.
Okay, we're gonna throw some bay leaves in.
Nice bit of time.
We've got to put some thyme in as well. The curry powder comes through. The aroma is This reminds me of being home, man. Thyme, dry thyme.
I can't lie, I can feel my childhood
Honestly,
in this
it's
pot,
beautiful. Man. It's beautiful.
Okay. See that? Hey, Ayo, you see this? No, this is what you call no measurements.
Let's throw that in.
So everyone will not be washing their rice.
I need to get a little bit of salt. We need a bit of seasoning.
Are we leaving this onion?
The foil on top. 10 minutes.
I just want to see what you lot are saying over here on the Nigerian side.
I think I'm going to be learning a thing or two from Auntie.
Come on, leave us alone, man.
Yeah.
But you stay long time there.
Bro.
I can't lie, it looks good still. It looks good still.
I told you.
You see?
Serge, what's the Ivorian style jollof? You guys have couscous or is it like what's the...
We don't call it couscous. We say acheke. You know,
Acheke.
You know what's funny though? It's always Nigerian versus Ghanaian jollof. Jollof doesn't even come from either of these two places. I don't know why we're fighting. Senegambia, they're the real ones that made this.
Really? It's a Gambian thing?
Yeah, Senegambia there.
The next thing we need to do is taste this. That sauce is lovely. That sauce, on the third attempt, nice. She didn't even say anything.
Bro, I can close my eyes and do this.
You see? Auntie didn't say anything because she knows.
I don't.
She knows. Chef, Bobby, let's go.
Unbiased opinion.
Honesty.
Ghanaian.
You know the sauce? Crazy, yeah?
The sauce, that's true, Auntie.
Yeah, the sauce is crazy. No, for real.
I'm going to have to get the recipe afterwards.
Come on, chef. Talk to me.
Man,
You
like
see
my
that
mom.
guy?
Don't put it in
You
your
see-
mouth, bro.
This guy's a master chef. Talk to me.
Yeah, chop knuckle.
Hey, my God!
You're on my voice, You're on my voice, You're on my voice.
Well, let's put that to camera, man. Bend down to the wall.
There we go. Cool.
Thank you, guys.
This was special, very special.